How to check your recently watched Instagram reels. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we will learn how we can check recently watched Instagram reels. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up Instagram in your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. So Instagram does not offer a direct way to view your full history of watched reels, but there are other several workarounds to check your recently watched Instagram reels. So if you have searched for the reel or the account that posted it, it might show up there. So from your profile, you have to tap on the three-line icon at the top right corner. Once you're here, scroll down a bit and head towards your activity. Under your activity, you can search for an option as recent searches. So if you have recently searched for the reel or account, you may find it right here. But if you have liked the reel, then in order to find your liked reel, what you have to do is again head over to your profile, tap on the three line at the top right, again head towards your activity. Here on the interactions, tap on like. And under this section, you will find all of the reels that you have liked. And if you have saved some reels, in order to find them, you have to go back again, go one step back, and from settings and activity, there is an option as saved. So under this page also, you will find the reels that you may have saved. So these are only the way to find your recently watched Instagram reels. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.